Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix PSP not connecting to Wi-Fi. So, if you're having problems with your PSP here and it's not connecting to your Wi-Fi, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things they need to know here. So, first is we need to discuss what are the compatibilities that you can basically use for your PSP. Now, the thing with PSP here is it doesn't support WPA2. So, if your Wi-Fi is configured to use WPA2 as its security, well, unfortunately, you won't be able to connect your PSP. Now, how do we actually get around that? So, what you could do here is you could actually set your phone as a portable hotspot that you can use to access the internet. So in this case, you get your phone connected to your already existing Wi-Fi connection, and you want to go ahead and turn on your in this case your hotspot on your mobile device. So how do you exactly do that? Now, just to give you some idea here, I have my phone on my screen right now. So what you could do is you just want to go ahead and open up your settings, and you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option for more connectivity options. But if you do see the option here for example, mobile hotspot, go ahead and just select that. But just in case if you don't see it, go to more connectivity options. Now open up portable hotspot here and click on set up portable hotspot. Now what you need to do here is you want to go to security, and you want to make sure that you set this to none. So as you can see, by default, Wi-Fi or your Wi-Fi connection might be using either WPA2 or WPA3, which in this case is going to be the standard right now. But then again, just set this to none, and you could go ahead and just enable this. So in this case, you go ahead and click on the check at the top right to save your changes. But what you need to do is you just need to turn on your portable hotspot here. Go ahead and open up your PSP and connect to your mobile hotspot here. Now, once you've done that, you should be able to start accessing the internet or the net here via your PSP via this way. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.